Hey class. So this week we've been looking at some first-hand accounts of the Titanic. Remember, a first-hand account is something that the person saw themselves, they heard themselves, they smelled themselves. They were there at it when it happened. They weren't hearing about it from someone else, they were there and they told it straight to us. So when you have a first-hand account, you're like inside the brain of the person who was there because they're telling you what they felt, they're telling you what they thought, they're telling you what they saw, smelled, heard, and touched. So your job today is to write a first-hand account of anything that's happened to you lately in the last week or so. So I'm going to leave my example of a first-hand account down below, and you can write a first-hand account, about one paragraph, that's about 5 sentences, of something that's happened to you lately. You can either write it right in the comments here, or you could do it in a notebook or another app and then take a picture of it and drop the picture in the comments. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe below. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.